when Hanumanji was at a situation, he was thinking, how would I be able to go across that huge ocean? It was a mammoth task in front of Hanumanji. At that point of time, Jamvanji came and he made him to realize what are the hidden potential Hanumanji has within him. And at that point of time, Hanumanji, when he got to know what I am capable of doing, the moment he realized himself, he started growing bigger in size. Hanumanji grew more bigger in size. And when he grew bigger in size, with his fullest might, he jumped and he reached at the another side of the ocean. The message Hanumanji wants to give to all of us is, when problematic, difficult situation arises in our life, you should grow bigger in size. We cannot grow bigger in size like Hanumanji, but we can grow our broad-mindedness, our thought process. By doing so, we can overcome the problem. Problem may start appearing very small in front of our thought process. So this is what even we can say. Thank you so much, ma'am.